The various tools used for body art have the potential to give your clients a life-threatening infection if not properly cleaned or if they're not functioning properly. It is your responsibility to ensure that your tools are safe. Traditional tattooing coil machines have the potential for cross-contamination between customers. The machine must be decontaminated and all removable parts of the machine must be changed between each customer. If a practitioner fails to change the removable parts and decontaminate the machine, it can lead to cross-contamination. There are many different tattooing machines used, and some machines are safe and some are not. If a machine has replaceable parts and can be taken apart down to a sealed motor, then the design is probably safe to use. All of the parts of the machine back to the motor must be replaced with sterile parts for each client. The motor housing must also be disinfected between clients. If a machine cannot be taken apart, it is unsafe and not to be used. Any hand tools used must be designed as a completely disposable tool or designed to be used with single-use needle groups. Dangerous practices that are major violations of the California body art law include the following: using a machine that allows pigment to travel back up into the motor, failure to replace all machine parts back to the motor between each client, failure to decontaminate a machine between clients, failure to change needles, needle tubes, rubber bands, and grommets, using unsafe tools that cannot be easily cleaned and sterilized, and reusing needles. Remember that only steam autoclaves are allowed for sterilizing reusable equipment. Items like the tattoo machine itself and power cords that will not withstand being sterilized in a steam autoclave need to be washed and disinfected with an appropriate disinfectant between each customer. In addition, these items must be bagged or a barrier must be applied to these items when in use since they cannot be sterilized.